everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. Alright everyone, I'm back with another fun-filled, easy DIY to share with you guys using items from the dollar store and more. Some items from dollar store, some items from other places, but everything that I'm using will be listed down below in my description box. Where I can get links, I'll add links, and where I'll tell you where I got the items from. And today's video is sponsored by a company called For Talk. Yeah, they sell replica designer bags, and they sent me over a bag to review for you guys, which I'll be sharing with you in this video. Alright everyone, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up for today's video, and if you're not subscribed, I do hope you'll hit that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the DIYs I have to share with you. So let's get started with the items we're using for today's DIY. Okay, these are the items we'll be using for today's DIY. Okay, I got these 3 books from the Dollar Tree. They came with covers. I took off the covers and they were black underneath. Only the sides had some writing on them. So what I did was I took some of this black acrylic paint and I just painted along the words, covered up the words so you don't see them now. And this one here, you can see it just a little bit. So next I got my cutting machine and I cut out the words Gucci. And now we're going to place it on the side of the book. Now I use my cutting machine, but you can buy the letters at the Dollar Tree and do the same thing with this, or you could buy the yeah, they have the sticky letters and the ones that aren't sticky. You could glue them down. The sticky ones will just attach by itself. And then I also did Chanel. And for a third book, I did Prada. Now for the third book that I'm having on top, I'm going to add some of these bling gems here that I got from Totally Dazzled. They're little keys, and I'll be using some Gorilla Glue to glue them onto each side of our book. Now for the top part of our book also, I have this little mirrored sheet here, which comes with peel and stick on the back. I got them from Amazon. I'll be placing it onto the top part of our book. And then we're just going to peel off the protective layer. And once again, for the top layer, I have another saying, which it is keys to success. So we're just adding this to the mirror. Again, you can buy the peel and stick letters from the Dollar Tree. And then I have a little key here that I'll be placing on here also. Okay everyone, now I want to get into the review of the bag that I was sent to review from For Talk. It's a Louis Vuitton bag, and this is a box that it came in. And here's how it looks inside the box. Now I'm just gonna take it out. Oh, and inside the box you also get a gift bag in case you'd like to gift your bag to someone else. Alright, here's the dust bag that it comes in. It's nice for storage. Helps to keep it nice and clean. Alright, here is our bag. Okay, so it comes well wrapped and everything. So I'm just going to take out the pieces that are in there and come back and show you the bag. Alright everyone, here is the bag. Doesn't it look nice? And this is the inside. Lots of space, and there's a large little pouch inside with a zipper. And then you have these 2 little latches that you can put together and close your bag. Now this bag is called a Neverfull, and it's the color cream, and it's in the color cream. And here it is from the side and the next side. I like how it looks, and here's the bottom. And it does hold a lot. I've carried my laptop in there, my journal, and all my other knickknacks, and still have a lot of space. And then you get this extra little pouch. And inside the pouch, when you open the zipper, it's a lot of space, and there's another compartment in here. A nice little pouch. And then this is a strap, I guess, that you can add the pouch to your bag. I love how the bag looks. Doesn't it look lovely? It's called a Neverfull because it can hold a lot of items that you can carry around throughout your day. I think it looks lovely. So I will leave the link below to Fort Talk so you guys can go over and check out this bag and see what else they have, because they have lots of selections for you to choose from. And here is the bag on my arm, just to give you an idea of how it will look. Like I said, I'll leave the link below so you guys can go over and check them out. And remember, their prices are good, so you can check it out and get something for yourself for this spring/summer that's coming up. Alright everyone, here is our finished look for our books. Our stackable books. I think they look lovely. And I love the design on top. Keys to success. And the little keys on there. And the bling keys from Totally Dazzled. I think this decor of books is absolutely beautiful. Using dollar store items and more. And like I said before, you can get the letters from the Dollar Tree and put them onto your books. I had the cutting machine, so I use my letters through that with the vinyl. But you can always use those little stickers that the dollar store has and make a lovely decor for yourself. And with the mirror on top, and you can place it anywhere throughout your home. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you. So I hope you enjoyed today's DIY, and I also hope you enjoyed my review of this Louis Vuitton bag that I have. And like I said, all the links will be down below, so you guys can go over and click out and see everything that I shared with you today. Alright everyone, remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.